Welcome to the official start page of the Tangy Tuesday Holiday Challenge. Firstly, for anyone that hasn't signed up with their email address, please enter that along with your name at the bottom of the screen here and click subscribe. By doing so, you will be eligible for any prizes and you'll get some cool updates along the way. So once you've done that, we're going to look for the grade level that's most appropriate at the top of the page. You'll notice once you click on a grade level, our first puzzle will come up, which is Kakuma. Kakuma is a game where you're finding one and only one fact, family, or number bond. I'm going to select grade 3, and let's try the first miniature puzzle. Okay, starting from the top, 3 plus 18 is 21. 2 and 12 is 14. 20 and 7 is 27. 4 plus 14 is 18. And finally, 3 and 1 is 4. We'll choose 3, click check puzzle, and you'll see the incorrect indication by the red. We'll fix that last puzzle showing the sum of 4, and click check puzzle again to finish up. Our second game is called Tangy. This game reinforces the essential concepts for each of the grade levels by using multiple representations. In this instance, for grade 3, we have money. Here's how to play. Choose any touching set that's either side by side or up and down, and try to find the one and only match. With our first pair, we know the answer must be 20 cents. We have 20 cents represented by 2 dimes on one side and written on the other side. We select this answer from the given options and move on to the next one. Now let's try another one. You'll notice that the 5 cents is represented in 2 different ways. Therefore, that is the answer selection. As we fast forward through the next ones, notice how there's only one value that matches between any 2 given sets. Once you think you've found the matches, check puzzle and correct any mistakes. We've almost made it to the next level. The only thing standing in our way is a game called Snake. This is the third and final puzzle, and we will solve consecutive equations showing all of our work to arrive at the final answer. Each of the numbers must be correct within each of the equations in order to move on. Continuing with grade level 3, we only have to worry about subtraction and addition in order to finish our snake puzzle. Beginning with 21, we'll subtract 1 to arrive at 20. We enter that in. Next, we subtract 4, giving us 16. Adding 5 to that gives us 21, and so forth. We'll now fast forward through the rest of the snake, showing all of our work along the way. Once we arrive at the final answer, we'll click check puzzle to make sure everything matches up. Anytime you check your snake puzzle and there's an error, you only have to go as far back as the earliest error. At last, you are all done with level 1. Please take notice that the level code on the top right side of the screen has now changed. Anytime you advance a level, it's very important that you save each new code. Let's see a quick example of how to use this code. We're going to refresh the page. Once we're back at the home page, we're going to select our grade level, copy that code and paste it where it says level code. Then click submit code. You should see level 2 automatically populate for you. Keep in mind that each of the levels has 3 puzzles within it. We can only save progress after completing each of the puzzles.